In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your LinkedIn password. Managing passwords can be confusing sometimes, but don't worry. This step-by-step guide will help you retrieve your LinkedIn password easily. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll notice 3 vertical dots. These dots serve as your gateway to the browser menu, and all it takes is a quick click to get started. As soon as you click on these 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying a range of options. Among these, you need to look for and click on Passwords and Autofill. This section is essentially a treasure trove filled with all the passwords and login information saved in your browser. Inside this category, you'll find an option called Google Password Manager. This is where the magic really happens. When you click on it, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all the saved accounts under your Google profile. Now it's time to do a little scrolling. This part might take a moment, but scroll through this list until you come across LinkedIn. Once you find it, a simple click will reveal the saved login details for your LinkedIn account. Here's where a security measure comes into play, one that is crucial for protecting your sensitive information. Before you can actually view the password, you'll be prompted to enter your Windows password. This vital step ensures that only authorized users can access your saved credentials, adding an extra layer of security. Once you've entered your Windows password, simply click Show Password, and voila, your LinkedIn password will be displayed right there on your screen. It may sound complex, but as you can see, it's straightforward with the guidance we offer. And there you have it. You have successfully found and checked your LinkedIn password. It's as simple as that. Just a few clicks here and there, and you're done. Before we wrap up, it's crucial to remember to always keep your passwords protected. Whether it's setting a strong master password or using a reliable password manager, these steps are vital for maintaining better security. With cyber threats ever present, taking these precautions can significantly enhance your online safety. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has helped you successfully retrieve your LinkedIn password. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. This way, you'll always be in the loop for any new uploads.